Hi everyone, welcome back to MyCreativeFx, and in this one we're gonna create wall destruction. Let me show you. This is what we're going to create. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So first thing first, as usual, new composition. The size will be this. Let me rename the size of the comp to test shot. This will be fine for me. This shot is 4 seconds long, and let's drag and drop our footage. Test shot. Yep. Let's drag and drop. So as usual, first thing first, what we do? I think you got my idea. Camera tracking. Yes. Let's drag and drop camera tracker. Meanwhile, camera is tracking the shot. Let me tell you where you can download from our shot assets. So this is our website, mycreativefx.com. You can Google it, mycreativefx.com. Yep. So go to wall destruction and assets. You can even try out plenty of assets if you know how to use it. This have tons of assets like flash lightning, magical symbol, Thanos portal, normal portal, tons of assets, guys. You can create unlimited effects with this website, and tons of assets are free, guys, so you don't have to worry about paying. Even though you can download something around 3 to 5 assets per day depending on the day. So I think you're gonna love this website, I hope. And you can download music as well as sound effects from this website, and natural assets, smoke, destruction, environment background. We will be updating the library soon. Will be tons of environment background soon. And even though the tornadoes and meteors, we have tons of assets. Okay, so you can download from there here. So our camera is tracked. Oh, sorry, I think it's not had a good track. So you can do, go to reset it and detail track. Click on the detail track, guys. If okay, let me come back to the website. What asset we are using? So let's go to the destruction wall, just building and wall, and the asset that we are using is going to be this one. And if you are using a brick wall, you can go and check out the same asset. It has the brick wall texture. So this one. Okay, along with that, we're gonna use some dust, my favorite one, which I use in almost every tutorial. This one, and some free dust wave from the ground if we need it. Okay, so I think camera has been tracked again. Yeah, now it's been tracked. You can see the tracking points. It's tracking nicely on the wall. So we'll track some, select some points. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So right click, create solid, and this time this is going to be different. Let's scale the size of the solid. Okay, fine, very nice. So let's add our asset, sorry, to the software. So this asset what we are using. So what we need to do, we need to drag and drop this asset to the new comp. Okay, and previously what we used to replace the asset from the solid, but first we will do the same thing again. But in this one, what we need to do, before doing that, we will add something else. We'll add a image right here to the wall, and I'll make this image 3D. I hope you got my point why I'm doing this. Obviously, if I destruct the wall, I will see the uh, sorry for my bad English. I will try and improve it. I want to create assets for tutorial for globally, so that I'm trying my best to explain you. As long as we'll go further, I'll improve my English as well as uh, tutorial too. This is my third tutorial. Okay, so we are added. Okay, this looks nice, I think. Yeah, let's come back to the shot. And now again, we'll choose the composition, right, guys? This composition that we have created, and replace it with this. So done. But you can see right here, we can see the room inside. Okay, let's scale it. After scaling it, and you can select click R and rotate, and for S for scale if you don't know it. Okay, this looks nice, but we need to scale it more. Okay, I think this is not. Let's scale it a little more. This looks okay, I think. Let's go to the effects, key light, and let's key out this. This looks nice, but it's overlapping the wall, so we need it right there. I think this looks fine. This looks fine, right? Okay, so now what we need to do, we can scale a little bit more by pressing S. This looks nice. Okay, let's go to the panel, key light, and let's go to the screen mat where we can see the mat of this. It's not proper cutting, so we'll go to the screen mat and increase the whiteness, decrease the whiteness, so it looks like this. Yeah, and let's go back and to the final result, and now it's looking nice. We'll create a proper key light tutorial soon, but for this one it's fine. Let me decrease the size of the ROM so we can run the COM faster. Okay, it's looking nice. Okay, the thing is that key is not matching it, so we need to match a little bit. So go to Lumetri color panel, and I think this looks good. Okay, and what we need to do is that just press T, key light, click on the stopwatch and give a little bit opacity, so that it will just came before the explosion. Okay, I hope you got my point. We are removing it, just the front part where it's not started. We just will start the opacity where it's starting, wall start explosion. And it's looking nice, guys. I hope you got my point, and this is what we need to do. This is a quick tutorial. You can even add some dust, okay, to make it look this. Let's add some dust. Again, let's add some dust. Yep, add some dust again to enhance the shot, and you can add it. Just add this little more. This looking nice. Now after pre-composing, so let's pre-compose everything. And what you can do is that let's give it a opacity when it will start, and just, yeah, it's looking nice. So it will hide our imperfections. The shot dust is the best way to hide our imperfections. So this is what you can increase and you can decrease everything. It's totally up to you, and you can play with it. It was just a basic setup that I showed you, and after adding some control, let's add some wiggle, camera shake by pressing P. Yes, and this is fine, I think. And select both points. Let's go to the wiggle. Let's search wiggle. If you couldn't find it, go and click here, right click on this, and you will be able to see it. I think 14, 12 is fine, and you can see it. A great shape. So let's increase a little bit size so you can avoid the corners. And add some let's click on the motion blur. Fine. So now it's looking great. So after some color grading and all that, you able to see this shot after editing. So this was the shot, guys. This was the shot. I hope that you understand how to create a wall destruction with that MyCreativeFx assets. I hope you got our point. Please do subscribe to our channel and like this tutorial and comment down below what you need next. So see you in next video. Till then, learn, create, inspire.